get back to another Financial Friday. Well, since you're in the refrigerator, get you something cool to drink and let's get started. There we go. Here it is. Now, welcome back to our Financial Fridays. Today, we're going to teach you how to read a stock chart. I'm going to go over the basic concepts of what a stock chart does, how to read it, and what you get from it, and how to analyze different stocks in order for you to see if a stock is good enough for you to buy. Give me 5 minutes, and I'm gonna give you some great advice. Ready? So when I first saw something like this, I was extremely intimidated and kind of didn't want to do this anymore. But once you get the hang of things, all of these lines and indicators start to make sense. So what I want to do is go ahead and strip away all of this other noise and break this down to a basic level so you can understand the basic concepts of what we're looking at. What I want to show you is just a chart that looks like this. This is what analysts call a naked price action. This is not showing any type of support lines or resistance lines or any variances. So to break this chart down simply, 90% of the time your price is going to be right here on the right hand side. Down here is showing you volume and who's trading it and which way the trades went. Green is bullish, red is bearish. So reading each of these candlesticks is a task in itself. Let's get into some candlesticks. Okay, so to my left, we have a candlestick that is what is called bullish. That is a bullish candle, and that is because this candle indicates that a price has increased over a period of time. To my right, we have a candlestick that represents bearish. And this represents a price that has decreased over a period of time. So this one's always going to go down, and this one's always going to be up. Now, when I say a period of time, what I mean is you can have different charts for different moments. So you can have a 5 minute chart, you can have a 1 day chart, and so on and so on, right? So whichever chart that you were looking at or whatever period that you're looking at, this is going to be a full period in what you're looking for. So just keep that in mind. If you're looking at monthly charts or looking at daily charts, or if you're looking at minute charts, that's what this is going to represent. So this chart does also break down into more detail. So within this chart, this fat body right here, this that is considered to be the real body. So this represents saying this is for that moment, this chart was bullish or this chart was bearish. Now you also have the opening. That's what this is, opening. And closing. This indicates where this chart opened and this chart closed. So the price opened here and closed here on a bullish candle, and it's going to be the opposite on a bearish candle where it will open here and close here. So this is saying that the price started here and dropped down and went to here. So I want to add just one more detail to a candlestick. While reading these candlesticks, you'll also start seeing lines that look like this. These are considered, they're named different things, but the names that they're considered either a tail, a shadow, or a wick. the body of each of these charts remain the same. So this is still going to be a bullish indicator. This is still going to be a bearish indicator. These wicks just tell you at during this time period, this 5 minutes, the highest price was here and the lowest price was here. But this still was the open. This still was the close. It had gone all the way here, and it also gone all the way down here in this time period. And the same thing for a bearish stop. That's going to be the basics of just reading a candle. You learned something today. I hope you take it out there and really get involved in stocks and in the stock market. If you want me to teach you, I guess, a little more in depth of what we're looking at in charts, leave a comment below. If you learned anything, if you liked anything, if you want me to change anything, comment, subscribe, like, do all that cool shit everyone always tells you to do. And, go out there and have a great Friday.